Next topic is simplification of context-free grammar. In a context-free grammar, some grammar in CFG may contain some extra symbols. That is, we are going to eliminate these extra symbols, which may increase the length of the grammar. If I have more extra symbols, it may increase your length. So we need to identify those extra symbols and I need to remove those strings from the grammar. Here, before that, we need to know about whether the symbol is useful or useless in the grammar. A symbol X in CFG defined by grammar equals to set of non-terminals V, terminals T and the start symbol S and production rule P is called as useful if there exists a derivation of terminal starting from S start symbol where X appears somewhere while generating the terminal symbols from the starting symbol. If X appears in somewhere in the middleware, then such a symbol is said to be useful symbol. Otherwise, it is called as useless. I can call this in two different ways. A symbol X is called generating if some terminal symbol can be derived from X. That is, if I am able to generate some terminal symbol from X, then X is said to be a generating. Also, a symbol X is called as reachable if it can be reached from X. From the start symbol, if I am able to reach the symbol X, then the X is said to be a reachable signal. Let's see one example of a production rule. When you take this, you are going to see one example. I am having S maps to capital A, small a, or S maps to SB. Also, capital A maps to small ab or capital T, small b, and capital B maps to small b, and capital T maps to BA. So here, when you look at this example, there are four production rules we are having, and look, this S maps to AA and SB, A maps to AB or TB, P maps to B and T maps to TB. S is the start symbol. Okay, so this we have to accept as it is. Now when you look at this A is able to generate a terminal string AB. Also, A maps to another non-terminal TB where T maps to BA. So I can call T is generating. T is generating a string. Also A is also generating. Look at this T. T is a non-terminal. It is able to generate a terminal string BA. Similarly, A is a non-terminal. It is able to generate a terminal AB. Now, also, for example, for reachable is T is a terminal, non-terminal. When I start from S, I am able to reach AA. So from A, I can reach TB. From T, I can reach BA. Now, for construction of this part of terminal string, I am able to reach T. So, from start symbol to terminal symbol, in the path of start symbol to the terminal symbol, I am able to reach somewhere T in the middle. A and T are in the middle. So, they both are said to be reachable. They are reachable. Although T is separately able to generate, from S, it is reachable to go to the non-terminal symbol T. But when you look at this B, we are having one more production rule called B. Here, we are having that B maps to B. Yes, B is a terminal. It maps to terminal. It is generating. But what about reachability? From start symbol, I am not able to go to P. S maps to A or S maps to S. If there is a symbol which occurs only in the left hand side and it never occurs in the right hand side of the production rule, then that symbol is unreachable or non-reachable. the symbol is not reachable from the start symbol. This symbol is one of the example of redundant symbols. So we need to eliminate these symbols. This is the example of generating and reachable symbols in grammar. As a whole, I can tell that there are three ways to reduce the grammar. One is removal of useless symbol. As we saw in the previous example, we need to identify the useless symbols which are non-reachable and non-generating and I have to remove them. Another one is removal of null production. If I am having A tends to epsilon, this is a null production. If a non-terminal maps to a null, it is called as null production. And also unit production. If A maps to B, if one non-terminal maps to another non-terminal, it is an example of unit production. So there are three ways to reduce the grammar in an optimum way. One is by removing the useless symbols. Another one is to removal of null production and removal of unit production. We will discuss one by one.